We'll guide you through how to mute original sound on TikTok. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on TikTok, and so you want to go and create a video and you want to go and mute the original sound. You could do it for the entire clip or just a part of it. We're going to guide you through how this can be done. You can go and do this if you've already recorded a video or whether it's already in your gallery, it doesn't matter. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by pressing the plus in the middle at the bottom, like so. Now, what you need to do is, I'm in this case going to go and actually record right now. If you've already got it in your gallery, you can go and open it up. Or if you're still got it in a draft, you can do this as well. So I've just got a 15-second clip recorded above the shutter button and we've got post at the bottom. Let me go and quickly go and record now. Just go and record for a couple seconds to go and show you how this can be done. Then we can go and release and we can press the tick. So now from here, what we need to do is you need to go over to the right. I'm just going to go and press a downward arrow so we can see the titles, and you want to press the option edit at the top. So it's the first option just below the gear cog icon and open it up. Now this goes and opens up the editor here, as you can see. So first of all, I don't actually want this sound added automatically. So I'm going to select that and then go along and press delete. So if you want to go and mute the entire original sound from the video for the entire thing, go and tap on it. Then you can go and scroll along at the bottom. Find the option for volume and you can go and tap there and then you can go and decrease it all the way down and that's going to be muted. Now, alternatively, if you just want to do part of it, what you need to do is choose the part you want to go and do it for and scroll along at the bottom. Then keep the video selected and press split. Then you can go and decide when you want the muting to go and stop and press split again. And we've now split it off and select that part we split. Then you can scroll along, find the option for volume and decrease it just for that part. So then just that part's going to be muted. You can go and hear that when you go and play it back. And that's it. Of course, then you can go and add other sound at the bottom. It's going to be up to you. But hopefully you managed to go and achieve this. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.